Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi if it's not showing on a Lenovo laptop. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and check for physical or even as software switches. Okay, ensure that the airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi is turned on. So, for some laptops, you'll be able to see an airplane logo or function key on your keyboard. So go ahead and find it and then press and hold the function key on your keyboard and press the airplane mode button. Okay. If that doesn't work, go ahead over to your search bar and find airplane mode. Click on it. Now make sure that this one is disabled and that Wi-Fi right here is enabled. Okay. And after that, go ahead and check if it works. If that doesn't work, go ahead and find your search bar and type down services. Okay, click on it. Now go ahead and find this service called WLAN. Okay, auto config. Again, WLAN right here. So you're going to want to double click on it. If it's set to manual or disabled, click on this drop down and just click on automatic delayed start or set it to automatic if you want to. And after that, click on apply. Click on start, click on OK. If that doesn't work, right click and then just restart the specific service. Click on restart and you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, close this one, go ahead over to your start menu, right click on it and click on device manager. Find wireless adapter. Okay, go ahead over to your network adapters right here and find the wireless one, just like this one right here. So you're going to want to right click on it and then uninstall the device. Uninstall it. Now, once this one pops up where it says attempt to remove the driver for this device, tick on it. Now, tick on uninstall. Wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, go to restart your computer. And after that, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, go to find your search bar and type down network reset. Right here, click on it. Now go ahead and click on reset now. Okay, I'm not going to do it because I'm going to be logged out. Okay, click on reset. Now after that, restart your computer again and check if it helps. Okay, and that is how you fix Wi-Fi if it's not showing on a Lenovo laptop. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.